Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have an Amazon haul here. I ordered a few art supplies and I'm going to see what's in here. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we'll see what's inside here. Okay, this was the Liquitex Professional A Gloss Gel. Okay. And then I had some white gel pens, because I didn't have any of those for details. And I think this was probably the most I was excited about. Box on the floor. I ordered myself another notebook, like a watercolor pad. Let's see here. Okay, and this one is the brand Pentalic Aqua Journal. Okay. Honestly, I looked at so many on Amazon, I couldn't even remember what one I ordered. Okay, but I will have like all the names and everything in the description down below. This was the 5" by 8", 140-pound paper, acid-free, 48 pages. Okay, and you know, right off the bat, this is sturdy. It's like a faux leather binder here. It's your little thingy there. Okay. And it is the landscape. Okay. And it's sewn in through here, the binding. That's really nice. These pages are nice and thick. You could see the little bit of the texture on the paper there. I know you probably can't see that on camera, but this is what I was most interested in, was the quality of this. It was relatively inexpensive. I can double check the price, but I'm pretty sure this was less than $15. And there was a wide variety of sizes too. Again, sometimes you just have to be gentle with the pages. So. But still, you can do like a really long landscape, or obviously, you know, just the one side, horizontal or vertical. Oh, and then we have a little page marker there with the name of the brand. Yeah, this is really nice. And I will do an updated review on this. Oh, even that's, I would assume, for your brush, a brush or a pen. That's really nice. Oh, I didn't even see that when it was on Amazon. That's really nice. Watercolor journaling at its best. Journaling. European milled heavyweight paper of the Aqua Journal. With travel in mind, the elastic brush holder. Right here, signature ribbon. That's just basic information on the back. Yeah, that's really nice. And these came in a separate package. These are the Ohuhu the little water pens, and there's 3 different sizes here. I will do a separate video. I wanted to test those out. I normally use like regular brushes for watercolor, so I was interested, like I said, to test these out. And there's a bunch of different, I'll pull one out so you can see. There's a bunch of different styles of these. I know some of them have like the blue bottoms. I think they hold a little bit more water. There's newer ones with like a little red button that you can push. Really briefly, I did open up one and put a little water in it because I was excited to try it. And I will say that they are very nice. Like even, you know, you just push a little bit and you could see the little water bead come down to the tip. But there's no puddles or anything like that. But like I've heard some people talk about issues. These are perfectly fine. But I will do a separate demonstration and all that in a different video. And like I said, these were just the white gel pens. Jelly roll. These are pretty basic, but I was interested to try these out for details. Like I said, when you're doing like an illustration or something of that nature. But the other medium here from Liquitex, this gloss gel. It's been a while since I've used something like this, probably like back when I was in college. But anyways, the reason why I bought this is because I was watching someone else's review, and when you're working like this, and this paper is pretty thick, but say if you weren't going to do an illustration or, you know, pen and ink, you're going to do something a little bit more heavy, they were saying that you can use some of this gel medium and put like a coat down, let it dry, and then you can do like an oil painting in here or some acrylic. So that's something I want to test out to see if it actually works. I think they used the Golden brand, but this one actually had better reviews. And I've used this brand in like regular acrylic paint. That Liquitex is pretty good. So, and again, I think this one was on sale. It was about $13, so it really, you know, it's not that bad. Yeah, and that was about it for today's video. I am overall, this was probably, like I said, I was most excited with this. And I will definitely do an update once I fill a couple pages, like I said, and I really, you know, I'll have a little bit more to show. If you're interested, I have another one that I ordered. It was the smaller Winsor Newton one. It was like a little tiny bit smaller. And if that is up, I will link the video down below so you could check out that one as well. So I know sometimes when you're ordering things off Amazon, it's a little hit and miss. That's why I like to watch reviews, do reviews. So hopefully this helped you out a little bit. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. And I'll see you next time.